This is a salmon and avocado Urumaki roll, also known as the inside out roll. So place the rice on the nori sheet very evenly. You want to cover the whole sheet. Some sesame seeds. And you want to turn your sheet of nori upside down as you're going to place your fillings inside. Mayo. First the salmon. Be generous. Avocado. And start rolling. You're making sure you're tucking in so that the rice kind of works as a glue. And when you're at this stage, just flatten it out so you're making square edges rather than it being a round roll. Tuck in the sides, and there you have your salmon and avocado Urumaki roll. Cut in the middle, and with this you want 8 pieces rather than 6, and you're done. Enjoy!